Welcome to a video with the Detroit Science Guy. Let's learn about the Goliath Bird Eater, which is native to northern South America and is the largest species of tarantula in the world. They can weigh up to 175 grams and have a leg span of 12 inches. In a reproductive cycle, females can lay 50 to 100 eggs in their web. Their diet consists of large insects, frogs, mice, lizards, small snakes, and rarely small birds and their eggs. The Goliath Bird Eater's lifespan ranges from 15 to 25 years for females, while males live 3 to 6 years. Their predators are the tarantula hawk wasp, large snakes, large birds, and also large monkeys. They're native to regions of the Amazonian rainforest.